Hey everyone, spring is just around the corner, and with this warm weather, it's gonna get here sooner than you think. So right now, we're offering you a chance to pre-book your services before the spring rush. And as a thank you for pre-booking, we're freezing last year's prices until April 1st. To pre-book, just follow the link down below. From there, you can browse through our service form and select the services that you're interested in. When you're done, click submit, and we'll send you a proposal. Just remember, approve your proposal before April 1st to take advantage of our 2020 pricing. But before you head over there, make sure that you're subscribed to our channel. We have some exciting new announcements coming up, and you don't want to miss them. If you want to learn more about some of our services, check out our maintenance introduction video below, where I touch base on our current and new maintenance services and prepare you for our upcoming in-depth how-to service series. Thanks guys for watching, and stay tuned.